Here's a quick look at the embarkation process for the Norwegian Bliss at Seattle's Pier 66 in May 2023. We got dropped off at the north end of the pier and dropped off our check bags with the friendly baggage handlers. Remember to keep your passports, medication, and other important documents with you. Before heading to passenger check-in on the south end of the pier. Don't fret the long line. It moves pretty quickly. Once past the bright red 66 sign, you'll get a glimpse of your NCL cruise ship. And then make your way to the pre-check-in station. Throw away any beverage containers in the handy trash receptacles. And get your travel documents ready for inspection. Open your passports to the photo page and present them to the attendants along with your boarding passes for inspection. You'll then move on to the security checkpoint that is similar to the TSA pre-check at the airport. Listen to the attendants. Shoes and jackets stay on. Hats and belts come off. Jewelry stays on. Remove metal and electronics. All bags go through the X-ray scanner. After the security checkpoint, you'll be directed to the check-in station. We were able to get priority check-in with our Casinos at Sea reservation. At the check-in desk, you'll be asked to show your passports, answer a quick health questionnaire, and will receive your stateroom cards. Once you're checked in, you'll be directed to board the ship. It is highly recommended that you head straight to your assembly station as shown on your stateroom card. Follow the signs, and at the assembly station, allow the friendly crew member to scan your stateroom card. We recommend that you head to the Social Comedy Club to sign up for any last-minute entertainment reservations. And if you're hungry, grab a bite at Taste, Savor, or the Garden Cafe. We prefer the quiet atmosphere of Taste or Savor instead of the busy Garden Cafe. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing.